Good evening and welcome to Cooking with Stephen. I'm Stephen. Today we're going to be cooking my very special hot dog, spaghetti, the hard pasta, chicken sauce. It's going to be great. So first things first, you get your wieners, your hot dogs, and you just open them up. And you just take out, how many wieners do you feel like you can handle today? I think I'm going to go with 3. The next step requires a little bit of arts and crafts. This is my favourite part. It's when you get your long bits of spaghetti, or the hard pasta, and like, spaghetti? It is spaghetti, right? I like doing this like I'm an acupuncturist, but the guy did something, so I'm like, fuck you. So, as you see, we're almost ready to start boiling our sausage things. Next things next. Kettle time. Okay. Do you remember this egg that was on the table from earlier? Just pop it in. Now you got an egg. And then we get our Knorr quick soup, and we just take it out of the thing. This is the cup I was using earlier for my pasta, because as I always say, never wash a cup. Because you can, and you stir that. All that on the plate. Pour. Oh. It's fine! Oh my god, I'm gonna get sick. It's so disgusting.
I'm keeping that in. I'm putting that in. You fucking hack fraud.